Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharestradingschool.com. Today, 6th December 2016. Nifty yesterday actually had shown excellent pullback, and though initially it had started as per the bearish pattern, but it had created a low almost around 8,156, and then it has pulled back and tested a high which is actually a resistance of 8,141. Actually 8,150 level being a crucial level which we have discussed in the previous videos is acted as a resistance and will act as a resistance in future also. This is basically nothing but recovery. If you remember in yesterday's analysis, we have plotted this Fibonacci extension number, and we have said that Nifty would be forming actually another low, that is 7,916. Once it breaches, then we have said that it may go to almost creating a low that is at 7,568. This is the target which we have discussed. If at all Nifty reaches 7,916 level, actually this pattern, even we have said that this is bearish to consolidation form, market will remain choppy. Even we have said that being fundamental reasons, we have said that in this week we are expecting a various fundamental policies. Yesterday was about Italy, and today tomorrow it will be on RBI policy. So it's a very difficult market to trade. Every small support will act as as if it is a major support, and every small resistance will act as if it is very major resistance, because people are not sure. Unless policy comes, then the direction will start. Even if at this moment, if you see a moving average set of 100, 50, 20 and price, so this is actually a bearish pattern, and price has just started a recovery. This is nothing but just a short covering. People don't want to continue their very short continue in future, probably expecting that tomorrow 50 basis point cut is expected. By yesterday afternoon, news started floating that RBI has decided to give a 50% expectation. This is nothing but a market who is expecting 50 basis point cut. If RBI gives more than that, then probably market will show a gap of open, and then there will be a bullishness will start. So because of this, this short covering has come yesterday. Now actual 2-hour chart first we will discuss. We have actually discussed about yesterday's 2-hour chart. Again 150, 20, and this pattern which we said is extremely bearish pattern, and in the past it had given a super fall, and many times it had given a super fall. So at this moment, this is nothing but fear about not continuing market as a bearish trend, and probably people don't want to continue their short, and that is the reason last last few hours it has actually shown a recovery. Now 50 average will act as a resistance, which is placed around 8,148. So 8,150 being a very important level, it will act as a resistance. Then there is a gap. If you can look at this gap is a very crucial gap. Probably market will try and fill up this gap. So 8,150 to 8,185, this is a gap where the market had formed. So probably 8,150 breach, then market will try and fill this gap. Even if that bullishness is continues, then actually 8,250 would be a target, which is a previous high, as well as our 100 EMA is placed at that level. So previous high and 100 EMA, so these two levels will act as a resistance if Nifty crosses 8,185 to 8,200 level. If you convert this into 1 hourly chart, then scenario will still remain same. 8,163, this level has come up in between. That is just because in hourly chart we see a 100 EMA placed at that level. So 8,159 once breach, that is a gap, a lower bracket of gap. If in case that breach, then 8,163 can act. So we will take 8,163. So if at all we think of going long, then remember this 8,163 will be a major level. If it crosses, then we can see that Nifty will be touching 8,185 to 8,200. And if in case that also causing comfortably trade for 15 hour above that level, then probably our next target is 8,250. At this moment, we can think of going long only and only above 8,163, and then that moment we can keep our stop loss around 8,110 low level. This is a low of this swing low, and this low can be considered as a stop loss. It has not yet formed a swing low because we have to yet to see his this boss highest yet to cross. इसके हाई के ऊपर जाना बाकी है, बट जब वो ऊपर जाएगा तब की बात हो रही है, तब हम हमारा स्टॉप लॉस 8,110 के नीचे लगाएंगे. ये अगर यहाँ से नीचे आता है तो ट्रेड मत करिए. सेकेंड थिंग, this is an analysis which we have actually considering hourly to hourly and daily chart. We are in a recovery phase. We are in a recovery after downtrend. Market is recovering. So again and again telling that small resistance will act as if it is a big resistance, and small support can act as if it is a big support. And at this moment, market is not sure which direction to take because we are waiting for tomorrow's policy. So if you can't afford risk, or if you think that market is very choppy, do not trade in Nifty. Wait outside, give market to react sometime tomorrow, establish pattern because it's a trendless market at this moment. So better, if you are a defensive trader, do not trade in Nifty. So thank you very much and good day.